This StarTech 4-port USB 3.0 PCI Express card gives a desktop an easy way to add several fast external connections without replacing the motherboard. Each port runs on its own 5 gigabits per second lane, so multiple hard drives or fast peripherals can transfer data at full speed without slowing each other down. Support for the USB Attached Small Computer System Interface Protocol lets compatible solid-state drive enclosures perform noticeably faster than on ordinary USB 3.0 ports. The optional Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, or 4-pin power input, allows the card to deliver strong, stable power for hungry devices like bus-powered hard drives and virtual reality headsets. Compatibility with older universal serial bus standards and both full-height and low-profile brackets makes it a flexible upgrade for new builds and compact office systems alike. Overall build quality, long-term reliability, and business-friendly support make this card a dependable choice for anyone who leans on external storage and other high-bandwidth peripherals.